Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to install DCC plugins in Kraken and open files straight from the interface. Let's start with installing a DCC plugin. Kraken supports multiple versions, so we'll add another one to see how it works. First, we'll pick the DCC we want to add, in this case, Blender, and then select the path where Kraken is installed. Next, we'll choose the executable file. This is really important. We need to select the exact executable and then click Choose. Kraken should detect the DCC version automatically. Let's hit Add and wait for it to finish registering. Once that's done, we'll get a confirmation saying the installation was successful, and we'll see the new version in our list. Kraken also lets us choose which DCC to use, and we can enable or disable specific versions. So, if there's a version we don't want to work with, we can simply disable it, and we'll see that change right away. If we need it later, we can reactivate it with just a click. Now, let's look at how to select a DCC version based on what we need. We'll go to Assets and open episode 101. Here, we'll look for an asset with a file. Let's go to Victoria, which is a model we're using. We can see the file here, and there's an Open button available. When we click Open, Kraken gives us the option to use an active DCC or open a new one. Let's pick version 4.2 for this example. As you can see, it opens the asset scene in Blender 4.2. Once Blender is open, we'll see that Kraken shows the active task as connected, highlighted in blue. The task is selected, and we have different options within Blender, like publishing. So let's create a new wipe. This will save a new version of the asset. Once saved, we can even mark it as approved. Now we see WIP2 created. Let's hit Publish, and just like that, a new version is created. We can choose to do a retake or publish it directly. Finally, we've got the folder tree showing where the file is stored, and we can jump right into the specific folder if we need to. And that's it. This setup lets you install DCC plugins and manage files seamlessly within Kraken.